Now that's a goddamn lineup. Dude, all these cars next to each other look so sick. Was that it? Yeah. That's totally normal. Really? Yeah. Yeah, that's totally normal. All right, so for all you guys out there watching this video, this is Luis's first GTR, and he's kind of nervous about all the noises. But all you GTR drivers out there know, this is actually really quiet. Where are the muffler tips? All right, back it up. Oh my God, did you hear that? No, dude, you're so good. Really? Yeah, I'm gonna show you some videos of my GTR. You're all good. Okay.
That's a GTR cap right there, baby!
Now that we're done looking at Luis's car and listening to all the weird sounds, we're gonna go for a ride and make sure that the car is legit. But this is my first time in a GTR in a really long time, so I'm super excited. Let's go. Just keep your ears open for any weird sounds. Go ahead. Dude, that's totally fine.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, that's such good
Because
news.
listen, like it's all good.
Yeah.
The car is all good.
All right. Thank goodness.
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
And then these are supposed to go this way. And then, okay, look.
All right, yeah. Let's learn.
Race mode,
Okay.
race mode,
Okay.
race mode. Okay?
Okay. All
But
right.
here's how the OGs do it. There you go.
Okay, nice.
See?
So total race mode.
Total
right there.
race mode, yeah. So this is
Suspension.
comfort mode for the suspension.
Okay.
Maybe your light just doesn't light up. But anyways, if
Yeah.
you're like in the snow or whatever, you
Yeah.
can put it in save mode,
okay.
and it makes it better for being in the snow.
Okay.
But yeah, so this is your transmission. Okay, now it doesn't even want to go.
Yeah, it's weird.
Oh, there we go. So
Okay.
the light's not lighting up. It's supposed to be purple, but that's
Okay.
all that it was.
Got it.
And then this is basically your ECS or whatever they call it. So basically like your traction control.
Okay.
And so yours is a little different than mine was, because mine was a 2017, so the screen was down here.
Okay.
And then the dash was like a lot lower also in general. All right, let's get a pull in the 2015 GTR. Yes! Yes! Oh, yes.
Yes, sir. Oh, that's fine.
It's not even my car. I'm not even driving and I can't stop smiling. There's something magical about a GTR. I'm telling you guys. Dude, this is really making me want one. Sell me this one. No.
Maybe?
Maybe. Oh, you heard it here first.
Maybe. Maybe.
No, this one's clean though. I like it. I like this one. This one's got a vibe for sure. Oh, we're gonna get another pull. Wait for it. Oh my God. So we had to pick up the R8 and we're about to head to the gas station and get some shots because it's dark and it's the only place with good lighting right now. Oh my God, fun cars are so much fun. I'm so juiced for Luis and getting that GTR, that car is so sick. Like, it really brings back memories, and it really makes me want one. Hold on. Oh my God. Well, maybe I'm back in the market for a GTR. Maybe this is that monumental moment where the channel gets another GTR. All right, guys, I'm gonna cut this video right here. So I'll catch y'all later. Take it easy.